Hey guys, what's up? This is Vendredi here. If you don't know me, I'm a primarily nature photographer, but I like other genres as well, as I will demonstrate it today. I haven't been shooting macro shots for quite some time. I spent 2 months overseas and I didn't get the chance to take my macro lens or my APS-C body, which is a Canon ATD that I tend to use for macros with me. So, as I said, I've been missing macros lately. So I thought, why not set it up and take some pictures of my ugly face from close up, or facial features such as my tongue and my eyes, and see how we go. So I'm gonna put this down. So I got the ATD, Canon ATD, which is a crop sensor camera. Gets you a little bit closer with the 1.6 crop factor. I'm using the 100mm macro lens, which is a favorite of mine. I've got the image stabilization disabled because I don't need it right now, as it's sitting on a tripod. This small tripod is a aluminium tripod that I got 3 years ago, very cheap one, the B3 first version I believe, from Manfrotto. I've got the 600EX RT2 flash, which is a really powerful flash. I'm using it in high sync mode because I'm shooting at 250th of a second, just to make sure that you know, I freeze the action, or for example when I stick my tongue out it doesn't move as much, so I get a sharp shot. I'll be shooting at f11, which I've found to be the most optimal f-stop. Gives me enough depth of field so I don't have to stack too much. Shooting at base ISO, 100 ISO, and I'm using this little what is it called? What kind of card is this? A bounce card from Light, which gives me a little bit more even lighting, which is essential for macros, or for anything really, but for macros it's extremely useful. So I've already started taking a shot. I started taking shots of my tongue, and the first one turned out to be pretty good. So let's give it another go and let's get a little bit closer. So I'll get it in a manual focus. Let's stick our tongue out. Okay, I'm at 1x magnification, which is the closest I can get, so I'm gonna just take a picture of my mouth first. So that didn't work out for this particular shot. I have to hold down and try it like this. Yeah, that's better. So let's have a look. Not sure if you can see, but this is close-up shot of my lips. Oh my god, that looks so ridiculous. You wouldn't even know what the fuck that is. Jesus, what the hell is this shit on my lower lip? God damn it, all sorts of garbage. Piece of fabric, what the fuck? That's so weird. That's why I love macro, because it just gets you so close and you can see such weird features or things that you wouldn't even know that they are there. So that was my lips, and now let's do another one of the tongue. Oh my god, that's so gross. Check this out, guys. What the actual fuck? Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh my god, that's alien-like. Oh, they look like blisters. Phew, that's so gross. I love it. Can't wait to see it on the big screen. I'm a bit weird, I know. Whatever, I don't care. Increase the f-stop to f14. I couldn't remember where I had the what I set up for the aperture control on this camera, because as I said, I haven't been using this much. My main camera is sitting right there, the 1DX2. Let's do the eye. That's fucking shit. I need better lighting. This is not gonna work like that. Maybe I should use a constant light source. A little bit lower to something like this. The barrel is casting a shadow. Move this down a little bit. What the... Oh, fuck. Finally! I got it. From this angle it actually worked. I'll show you guys what I've managed to capture. Is that good enough? Oh, it's not too bad actually. Catch light is nice. Maybe the focus is a little bit off, but I think this angle is gonna work. So I'm gonna stick with this position and hope for the best. The minimum focusing distance is approximately 30 centimeters, I think, for this lens. So I'm right at that point. Yeah, if I move just a bit, I'm already out of focus, or my eye is already out of focus. What about this? No, I'm clicking the wrong button. That's not bad. That's so cool. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. I mean, check this out. You can actually see the reflection of the eyelashes. Oh my god, that's so dope. This is ridiculous. So gross. So the upper eyelashes, or the eyelashes on the upper eyelid, are being reflected onto the cornea. Oh my god, that's so unreal. The pupil looks amazing as well, so this is not too bad at all. Yeah, just move it back a little bit. So this is gonna be my beard. Oh, I get blinded. Doesn't matter. It's worth it. It's worth it. Ugh, that's so disgusting. Doesn't even look like hair. It looks like glass. It's unreal. What else shall I take a picture of? I'm gonna take a picture of my ear. Holy crap, what the hell is in my ear? I can see some... Oh my god. Oh no, that's not right. What the actual fuck is that? Oh, the hairs that are growing out of my ears. I definitely needed bangs. Imperfections get exaggerated and they just look absolutely disgusting. What else? Oh no! Oh my god, that is gross. Texture of the fingernail is unreal. There are tiny little pores, imperfections, little dents on its surface. It's crazy. It's not, what's the word, flat at all. There are little grooves and indentations. Palm is gonna look pretty cool. Let's do another one. There we go. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. It's in perfect focus. nipple shot. Yes. Look at this beautiful nipple. Oh my god. I mean, what are these? Okay, I think we should wrap this up because this is becoming a nightmare. You're gonna just vomit. Anyway, I was having fun. I hope you did too. See you guys in the next video, or not. After this, you might just unsubscribe, and I wouldn't fault you. I'm out, guys. Peace.